para ito sa mga katulad ko na naghahanap ng side hustle or extra income while working full-time job. So, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jasrol May Asmidiana. I live in Washington, USA. I'm originally from Philippines. I've been here in the US for 11 since 2013. So it is now February of 2025. So this is for anyone there out there na naghahanap ng extra income or side hustle. So I do work full time as a healthcare worker. I work 36 hours a week. At the same time, I'm a single mom, and I also have this kind of business. I do thrifting. I do ukay. So I will do this mostly online. I have a eBay, Pushmark, Mercari, all that uh, online platform that we can sell stuff. And at the same time, I do live selling, and most of my customers are in the Philippines during my live selling. So if you are the kind of person who is looking for extra income, so feel free to watch how I do my stuff, and you can learn from here. Good morning. Today is February 6th of 2025, and I am dropping off my kid. There's Claire at daycare. It is 9:06 in the morning, so I'm gonna drop you off in school today, okay? And Mama gonna go home and clean our house. So there you go. So, there's my little one. Go. Naka-skirt pa. So ayan, kakadrop ko lang ng anak ko sa daycare, and I'm going home. I'm gonna do a lot of sorting and packing for today kasi meron akong, I believe, I already dropped 2 boxes yesterday. I have 2 more boxes to pack and ship, and so that's my plan for today. So we'll go. So nakarating na tayo sa bahay, and it's about 15 minutes drive from the house to the daycare, or daycare to the house, mga 30 minutes more or less consume. So si Claire, she's been in her daycare since she was like 1.5 years old, and she is now 4.5. And so she really likes it there, and I like the daycare teacher over there. So anyway, as all of you know, I do everything. I'm a single mom. I work full time. I have a 4 years old kid, and I also do business on the side. I have the side hustle, a lot of side hustles. Well, for now, I do thrifting. I sell ukay. I post them online on eBay, Mercari, Pushmark, just on any platform. I also do Facebook Marketplace, but at the same time, I do well on my Facebook live selling, and where my customers are from the Philippines, so I do live online selling on my day off, and the buyer has options. They can fill a box or share a box. So pag fill a box, meaning to say lahat ng items na nandun sa box is sa kanya, and then I will ship it directly from here in Washington to the Philippines, directly to the buyer, and considering they will pay it in full. And then pag share a box, i-ship ko hanggang distributor, free shipping siya, for international shipping, and then going to the Philippines, pag dumating na siya, i-ship ng distributor. So I require them to pay 50% para kahit anong mangyari, pwede kasing mag-back out sila pag hindi sila nagbayad, unless pagbayaran mo sila ng 50%, kasi 'di ba pag hindi nila kukunin, edi forfeited na yung binayad nila. So this is, still business. You wanna make money and pay your para mabigyan mabayaran yung effort mo. Maraming nagmamine sa live, and then pagtapos ng live, di kanila papansinin. So I require them to pay deposit bago sila mag-mine, or pag mag-mine sila ng isang item and then bayaran nila in full, magbayad sila sa GCash or bank account, they will send the resibo to me, and then once they have the resibo, then they can mine more items. Hindi ako nagpapamine ng hindi nagbayad ng deposit. One item is okay, I re-reserve ko siya as long as they will pay it. So parang deposit nila. So just be, strategic, be careful kasi maraming nagtitake advantage din ngayon. So, yeah, that's what I do. So, anyway, I'm gonna go inside the house na and I'm gonna start my work. Nakalimutan ko magkape kanina, kaya sa sobrang busy kasi nag-live selling ako from 5:45 in the morning hanggang 8 ng umaga kasi supposed to be mag-live selling ako from 12 midnight. And nakatulog ako, kasama kong natulog si Claire. So pagising ko 5:30 in the morning na, kaya nag-live selling ako after I woke up. So from 5:45 hanggang 8 in the morning. Medyo marami-rami din yung nabenta natin kanina. More or less mga 100 pieces sa live selling sa Facebook. Okay, so kaya nakalimutan ko magkape. Ngayon, magkape muna ako bago tayo mag-start. So, I'm using the Cafe Macchiato. Ang sarap nito, promise. Sa kagaya ko, I do have like a borderline diabetes, and nakuha ko siya because when I was pregnant with Claire, I had gestational diabetes, and then hindi na siya nawala. So nagstay lang siya sa akin, nagsasuffer talaga ako. So sa mga may mga dyan, maganda itong coffee na ito. It's Coffee Macchiato. This is from I Am Worldwide. It only has a ilang grams ng sugar, like ilang grams pa ito? 2 grams of sugar. So, it's not that much. And you still taste coffee. And ang basta masarap siya. Merong aloe vera, Arabica coffee, Garcinia Cambogia, glutathione, and L-carnitine. So, this is what I use. So, ito po yun. Ilagay ko lang siya dito sa cup para hindi madaling malamig. Ayan. Coffee cup. So, ayan na. Mag-start tayo. I'm gonna pack the stuff. So, nag-arrange kasi mag-take ako ng picture advertise din, tsaka papadala ko rin sa nag-order na ito yung mga ilalagay ko sa box. So, ayan. Mag-box muna tayo. Ito yung ginagamit ko na box. So, I actually use 3. Merong LBC, Logo, Yuma. Pero ito yung gusto ko kasi mabilis sila. Pero depende pa rin sa depende sa location ninyo, depende sa agent. Kasi, yung agent ng Logo dito sa amin is super she really helps me with my business kasi lagi siyang nagpa-follow up. Ina-ask niya ako kung may papadala ba daw ako, may pick up this day, ganito ganyan. So it really helps me with the business, and I like that a lot. Kailangan ko nang may mag-remind sa akin. Kailangan ko nang may mag-push sa akin. Shout out sa kay Ate Teresita. Siya yung laging nagpo-push sa akin. Thank you, Ate. Relate ka sa akin, no, kasi you're a business owner as well. So, ipapasok na natin sila. dito po, puno na po yung box ni customer. This is going to Baguio. Nag-order po siya ng isang buong balikbayan box. So, ito puno na po siya. Ipapack na po natin para maipadala today. Kasi may shipment tayo. Ayan. So, lalagyan lang natin ng mga extra para, diba, alam mo na, business. Ayan, ganito. Yan. Para naman masaya yung ano natin, yung customer at babalik din. Diba? So, ayun. Hard work is real. So, yan. So, ganyan. So yun, tapos na akong nag-box ng isang box, order ng customer, and it's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and pipick upin ko yung anak ng kaibigan ko at 3:17, and then after that, dadalhin dito, papakainin, papatulogin, and then at 5 o'clock, pipick upin ko yung anak ko sa daycare at 5. And then yun, uwi, kakain ng hapunan, and then mag-live selling na naman. So it feels good, diba? Nasa bahay lang, gumagawa ng, tawag dito, ng trabaho, tapos, kumikita na, diba, may extra income tayo. It feels good that I can still make money. At the same time, I don't have to go to work, mag-overtime, para lang may extra kita. I can control my time, and it's hard being a single mom, but if you have the drive, and I mean, ako gusto ko magandang buhay ang maibigay ko sa anak ko, and ako din, I'm not getting any younger, and I want to retire early if I can. I want to save to make money, to buy a house, to get a new car, paid off car, and all that. So right now I'm working hard. So, sana ma-inspired kayo, and it's hard to start a business, but for me, I've started quite a few business before I did the thrifting, and I would say that hindi ako masyadong successful doing the business. So this is where my niche is. This is where I am successful. It's a lot of work. It's quite a lot of work, but you do whatever it takes. Kasi kung come to think of it, if you go to work, you pay overtime. I mean, you work extra, you pay overtime, you pay a lot of taxes for that, and you don't get credit for doing it pagdating ng tax filing. So ang ending, akala mo nakasave ka sa tax, akala mo nakamay ka ng extra money, at dun lang pala napunta sa tax, magbabayad ka pa ng tax. So for me, I like doing what I do. I like my side hustle, and I hope few years from now I see the result of all the hard work. So laban lang tayo, and don't give up.